In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule meetings with more than one team in Microsoft Teams. This is a handy skill that helps streamline your work routine and ensures smooth coordination across different groups. So let's get started. First, sign into your Microsoft Teams account. You can either open the desktop app or go to the Teams website in your browser. Enter your login details, and once you're signed in, you'll land on the familiar Teams interface where all your collaboration takes place. Next, navigate to the Calendar tab on the left-hand side. This is your central hub for managing and scheduling meetings. The Calendar view gives you a clear picture of your entire schedule, making planning much easier. Now pick the date for your meeting. Simply click on the specific day you want. It's quick and flexible, perfect for syncing up with multiple team members' availability. Once the date is set, move on to giving your meeting a title. While it may seem small, a descriptive title is important because it sets the tone and ensures everyone immediately understands the purpose of the meeting. After that, it's time to invite participants. Look for the section labeled Add Required Attendees. Here, you can add people from different teams by typing their names. Teams will automatically suggest matches from your organization. Take a moment to make sure you include everyone important. If you're inviting a large group, you can also use the option to invite entire teams, which saves time and ensures nobody is left out. Once your invite list is ready, double-check the details and then hit Save. This action confirms your meeting setup and automatically sends invitations to all participants. Everyone added will receive a notification and can easily add the event to their personal calendars. If you're working with external partners or guests, you can also copy the meeting link and share it directly with them. This makes it simple for people outside your organization to join without missing any details. And that's it. You've successfully scheduled a meeting with multiple teams in Microsoft Teams. This method keeps everyone on the same page and encourages better collaboration. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.